We got a weed eater motor. I literally just took it out of the box and we need to test it because we're actually going fishing in like 20 minutes. I've seen a lot of people do these. This is the Henkai Sport 3000. All right, we got a 3.6 horse. I think that's what that means. 2-stroke pull start. This thing's basically a weed eater, all right? It weighs maybe 3 or 4 pounds at the max. And if it works, this will be the ticket because it was 150 bucks. So we're out here at the pond, we're gonna throw it on just to see if it runs, then we're headed fishing. Woo! All right, we clamped this little thing down. Already threw some gas in her. Let's see, I'm gonna set this down. Oh, she is purring. Let's say she works.
Why'd you tell me what? Oh, you're right there.
All right. She's alive. Do I need to sit down?
Slow down. Pop a squat. This thing's gonna eat.
Hey.
Well, that didn't take long. Crappie.
That is a good one.
How you gonna reel it up? That's a nice one.
All right, boys, basically, so this boat didn't have a motor of any sort. You know, it's just the regular 14-foot John boat. Grab this thing, 160 bucks. And honestly, get the job done.
You see all these other fellas out here with trolling motors?
Oh God, dude, I was just sitting there.
Oh!
Dude, it was just sitting there.
Hey, we're obviously in the juice. So we got a tournament going on. We got some fellers right down there and some fellers right down there. They may have the superior watercraft,
Hey,
but
this is the superior watercraft.
I'll show you more of the motor later, but we got an intense fishing session.
Yeah, these swim baits are really good, I'm telling you that.
For crappie, I'm fishing for slaunches.
I just caught a slaunch.
Dude, we need to have a little crappie sesh out here.
Well, I've caught like 2 bass and 1 crappie.
I've yet to bring in a fish. That is very weird to me.
He might have swallowed it.
Oh. Oh.
I didn't catch one of that casket. I'm gonna go home. This shit sucks. Yeah, take me back on, dude.
Holy.
Have some bearings.
Brennan! We barely even got that.
Can y'all have some bearings, please?
Dude, we both caught it, Cat.
I was liable to jump in, but I didn't.
You were about 2
I had my
inches
wallet,
away
my phone, and my GoPro all on me.
You were about 2 inches away from owing me a fishing rod.
Yeah, man. Oh, they're so fat. It's Walt's. Yeah.
We got a big one! We got a big one!
Oh, he's pulling the boat.
He's pulling the boat, dude. He's pulling the boat. Woo.
Get the net.
Get the net. Get the net. Here, boy. Hey, angler respect. Get out.
This is a wake boat.
Here, boy.
Oh, yeah. You fine?
Not mine.
Here, boy.
No, I'm gonna throw it. Hey, we need a.
Woo. I'm fixing to get us closer to the bank.
Yeah, why don't you try doing that? Oh, come on.
Stuck that one. Oh, he's pulling us. He's pulling us. Is that a stud crappie? Holy! Hold on, don't throw that back. It's not as big as I thought. It looked way bigger. Easy, killer.
I'm not trying to go overboard.
Hey, that's a stud.
Right there.
Another one.
I'll beat her. I got skill.
Oh, better one. Dude, that thing's fat. It's 5, 4. It's getting slow. It's getting smaller.
This thing smells so good.
Hold that, John, up.
Let me load the scale.
Hey, look at that belly. It's a dink.
Very well.
Oh, we're slaying him, buddy. All right.
Hey, stop.
Oh. Yes, sir. Y'all gotta tell me before y'all are moving. I ain't in a hurry.
Little cove right there.
Oh!
That was a good one. Oh, I got him. He's not going anywhere. Not a bad one.
Yes, sir.
Where's that heart like? Oh, Casper's way too fast. Get that paddle out so it doesn't work. I don't want to be here anymore.
Yep. The hang kai officially performed. We went all across this lake.
Listen, we performed on the bank, or on the water, and we're about to perform on the bank.
Probably broke a few records, matter of fact. About 25-mile-an-hour winds. What in the world?
Stud. Brennan got him. Brennan!
You hook a dang carp? Not sure what's going on. There's my rod.
Hand line fish.
Let's see that water heifer. Woo!
Heck yeah, brother.
Not what I meant. Nope. Oh yeah, we see it.
Hey, we're not liable for anything.
Oh! Just now? Is it your shin bone?
Joel, no one even told you to do that, bro. Do it, dude.
Oh, this is a terrible idea.
Stand up, boy, swing.
Slide.
Just jump off the slide.
You're like literally 4 feet in the air, maybe. Now go down the slide. There, you could hop off and land on the ground. Go. Go, it's strong. The rope's good. Go. No, he'll let go before then. Jump. Oh, that ain't even deep. That ain't even deep.
Let's see it.
All right, boys, there's a hurricane of brone out there. I think we're just getting off the water. Hankai's back in the box, baby. Right back in the styrofoam. But we honestly slayed him today. And, what the heck?
Dude, they're moving!
Oh my goodness. Anyways, we gotta get out of here before a hurricane happens, but you'll probably see the old Hankai outboard a little more in the future, but she performs great. I'd highly recommend it. All right, let's go.